Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Frollo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. Tap on an arrow icon at the bottom left corner of the page and click on sign up. To sign up for your Frollo's account, click on register with email option. Enter your email address and create a password for your Frollo's account, then tap on register. Agree to the terms and conditions of Frollo by tapping on accept. A verification mail will be sent to your email address. Click on confirmation link sent by Frollo and get back to the application. Set a passcode to secure your application by tapping on set passcode. Create a passcode, confirm your passcode by re-entering it and tap on continue. Enter your first and last name and tap on continue once again. Follow the prompts till the end and that is how you will be able to sign up for your Frollo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.